App Use Tutorial. SCORP-Mini Gimbal has 2 apps available. It is recommended to use the Feiyu SCORP when carrying a camera for more advanced experience. It is recommended to use Feiyu On when shooting with a smartphone for the best shooting experience. You can also use Feiyu SCORP to set the gimbal parameters. Take Feiyu SCORP as an example. Go inside the Settings app, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on. Open the Feiyu SCORP app. Click to connect device. The app will automatically search for the nearest gimbal and connect automatically. Then you can start to use it. The connection method on Feiyu On is the same, so we won't reiterate them here. Thanks for watching.